Oh, y'all, we got some new press-ons from Betty Cora. Don't say I never put y'all on the stuff, but we got 6 pair this time. So, yeah, let's get into this. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and we're doing press-ons today. Let's get into what you get. You get nail glue, you get the instructions, okay? You get the press-on stickers in case you don't want to mess with the glue. You also get a nail file, there it goes, a cuticle pusher, and then you get the alcohol prep pads. All right, let's get into the nails that I got. These are the classic black and white French tips, okay? And then next up, we have the metallic pink glue-on nails. These are super cute, nice and classy, you know. And then we have the Exude Glamour French tips. These also have a little glitter on them. This is for the short nail girls, the sage green. And then we have the best press-on nails, glitter gold. This whole video is for the girls who like short nails. These ones are the fall and leaves line French tips. Listen, these nails stay on so long with just the regular glue. I'm gonna leave y'all to this, right? I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm not gonna talk too much, but know this: the nails are very affordable. They are very easy to apply. You get all the things, you know. And I'm gonna give y'all a discount code, and with that code, if you add the word gift, you could get a glue remover. Okay, stay to the end because the code's gonna be coming through. All right, but vibe out to this here music, and the steps to do these nails is on the screen. Easy peasy, right? All right, see y'all at the end. Alright, so we have made it towards the end of this here video. What I did on the first hand, I'm just going to rinse and repeat and do it on the second hand. Like I said, we at the end, so here is your discount code. To receive 20% off, head on over to Bettycora.com, put in the discount code BDYFEE. That's BDYFEE, and you'll receive 20% off your order. And then if you put gift, that's GIFT, in the order note, you will receive a free glue remover, because sometimes we need it when you apply too much glue. Alright, make sure you oil them hands and them cuticles when you get done. And it's been real. It's your girl Fee, and we just did press-ons, because we pros now, right? We pros now. But anyways, it's been real. Get your discount on BDYFEE, 20% off. I stay putting y'all on. Look at these. Ain't they so pretty? Look at them. Look at, marvelous, darling, marvelous. All right, y'all. It's been real. Peace.